Hello, this is our WEDM small manual truck. Yeah, it can be compatible with Erowa system perfectly, but this one is locking screw. Yeah, how to use it? In other words, use the electrode holder, put on the truck. Yeah, then you need the 6 hex wrench, 5 mm to tighten it. Yeah, to tighten it. Yeah, it's very tight now. Please note, generally the screw need a torque wrench 6 Nm. Do not use strong power or the screw easy to be broken. Yeah, it's very tight now. Check it. The repeat accuracy is very high, up to 2 micro. Also, and the truck can be used on different pallets like this. This one is 3 truck on 1 pallet, so it can be clipping on CNC machine table. And this one can be used EDM machine, WEDM machine, grading machine are both okay. Also, you can use on the lead machine. Yeah, like this. Our warranty is 1 year. Price is good. Welcome to inquire. Thank you.